completing nursing assistant and pharmacy assistant. Next, we call on Annalie Carion Suarez for completing caregiver.
May we also call Miss Mary Ann Fundan for caregiver course. Again, may we call on Miss Mary Ann Natividad Fundan for caregiver course. Okay, mga kaibigan! Okay, Simon Medjan! Please give them a round of applause! Again, as we are about to announce the next